Meeting of the MPs of DMK was conducted today, and there you see that is a Chief Minister's convoy which is ready. And this meeting was very much about the discussion over delimitation. The delimitation process, the Chief Minister claims, is going to be completely against the southern states, as DMK believes that this delimitation process, if implemented based on the population, the southern states in particular, which have completely got the population under control due to family planning, implementing family planning properly, they will be penalized. This has been the argument of DMK. However, BJP claims that no such programs are there so far, and it will be only implemented based on pro rata. DMK has refused to accept it. Several ongoing discussions had occurred, arguments between DMK and BJP occurred, and there you see the DMK MPs leaving one after the other. A meeting was held today, and there 3 resolutions were passed, mainly to make sure that the DMK MPs raise their voice against delimitation when it is brought in the parliament, and also to unite the MPs to make sure that the voices are raised against delimitation in the parliament. And also a delegation has also been created, especially to meet the states in the south who will be affected due to delimitation, of which Minister Tyagarajan will visit Kerala, Minister E.V. Velu will visit Andhra, Kanimuri will visit West Bengal, and T.R. Balu will visit Odisha. There you see DMK Deputy General Secretary A. Raja, who was complete after the meeting, who is also outside, and one after the other, the MPs are over here after the meeting. That is the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin after the DMK MP meeting. There you see over there, he's also still conversing with party members and the MPs, and here you have the Chief Minister after the DMK MP meeting, where the main discussion for the day was about delimitation. For almost a month now, DMK has raised this issue, claiming that if delimitation exercise is conducted as per population census, it will become a huge issue for the southern states in particular, as southern states have successfully implemented family planning, due to which the population of the southern states in particular have been kept under control. For now, the DMK MPs have held protests. They have, the Chief Minister alone has written multiple letters on this issue on the DMK mouthpiece Murasoli, and there have been targeted attacks, DMK attacking BJP, BJP counter-attacking DMK, and the MPs have spoken on it. There have been huge debates, and right now the MP meeting of DMK party has been conducted, where the DMK MPs have participated. 3 resolutions have been passed. The first one is that the MPs should support the initiatives taken by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin over here, and over delimitation process. The second step is to unite all the MPs from the southern states, where if delimitation is that exercise is implemented based on population, how they will be affected. And the third one is to protect the constituencies in case delimitation is implemented based on population census. So DMK very clearly believes that there is high chance that delimitation could be implemented as per population census, and that is why several initiatives are being taken as we speak. And a DMK MP meeting was conducted over here, post which the Chief Minister is over there talking to the MPs, and that way it has been made very clear that the Chief Minister and DMK in particular is taking this matter pretty seriously. 3 resolutions have been passed. A delegation of DMK leaders has also been constituted, where they will go meet southern states, Kerala, Andhra, Odisha and West Bengal. And there you have the Chief Minister after the meeting. That way, delimitation seems to be a very big issue DMK has taken in its hand. With Bidesh, Pramod Madhav for India Today.